Okay, another update. My computer crashed a lot. It crashed a lot. So I had to replace some RAM sticks. I had to reinstall Windows, and I had lost all my files. So it kind of took me a while to get that back up and running. But the good news is it's back up and running. So while I was doing that, I didn't have much to practice with this because obvious reasons. But on here I did come up with a concept design, little shuttle. I'm not going to use the V-tail though. You can see the V-tail on here. I guess it's more over there. That V-tail, I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to do a normal straight up and down vertical tail. I'm also going to be using one of these, an ultrasonic sensor, to see the ground. So when it sees the ground, it's going to flare really nice so that it doesn't hit the ground too fast. As far as simplicity goes, I'm liking how this is lining up. I need a accelerometer, an ultrasonic sensor, and 3 servos. And I think that's it. Ideally, that's it. I know it's kind of easy to set up code for each individual one of those items, but it's going to be very difficult to set up code with all 3 of those items, or all 5 of those, working together, and then also having it not crash. It's going to be quite the project. But that's where I'm at right now. I'm going to be, I'll probably stream or do a time lapse of me building the airframe in Fusion 360. I don't know how long that'll take. We'll see how that goes. I'm not going to do any time lapses of working on this because that's going to be pretty boring. It's just going to be code. So that's the update. Recap. I have a design. My computer's fixed, and I'm going to start in Fusion 360 at the same time. I'm going to try doing this. So that's it. Thank you for watching.